It is part of the vocabulary.
Fun?
Okay.
Oh shit, holy cow. What? No thank you! No thank you! No thank you! No thank you! If we fall, we die! If we fall, we die! If we fall, we die!
What were we thinking?
If we fall, we die!
How pretty!
No thank you!
Look how pretty! Look how pretty that is! Over that!
Oh my god.
Are you freaking out for real?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh my god.
It's a little bit scary, you know?
Yeah. That's why I was trying not to stare, like think it. Look how pretty the water is.
Yeah.
The water's real pretty. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. You have to pull that cord.
Yeah.
Yay. Oh my god.
Right now?
Okay.
Oh my god! Holy fucking I'm on top of the world! Fucking one time! Holy cow!
Fuck.
11 months sobriety! Suck it! Woo! Yeah, baby!
Oh.
Going backwards! Hey!
Run.
Okay, thank you! Yo! Nice try, Gage! Woo! Oh, if they could just let it go right there. Right into the water, see?
Oh my goodness.
I am really glad I didn't let Gage on this. He would have died. He would have been like, no! That is extreme.
That is totally fucking awesome.
Just quit it. Woo!
Oh my god. That was awesome.
That was a rush. Oh, that was a rush.
Next time back, grab the loop.
Next time back, grab the loop. Got it.
Woo!
You!
Woo!
There it is. Got it. We got it.
Oh man.
Gage, you're glad you did not come on this, buddy.
Oh man. Woo!
Let go.
Woo!
Stella, how was it?
We survived. We lived to see another day.
Woo!
Drop the foot bars.
Do what? Done. You prayed for us? Thank you.
Thank you for praying for us. We probably said some prayers that included some naughty words.
Yeah.
Oh man. I'm glad that my heart
Gage.
is working. I survived. YouTubers, this shit is awesome. Oh.
Yeah, all 37 viewers of you, try it out.
Woo! 37, boy, you give me a lot of credit. we might get like five views. But we do have a big family, so I might post it for the fans.
That was extreme.
Definitely not PG, honey.
The wall, help yourself stand up.
I don't know what he just said.
I think something about against the wall and stand up.
Yeah,
I don't know what he said.